How to set WhatsApp messages to automatically delete. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can set WhatsApp messages to automatically delete. Now before we begin with that, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you do not miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So the first step is opening up your WhatsApp. Tap on your WhatsApp, open it up, and then you will need to head over to the settings that is on the bottom right corner. Now after you're on your settings, you should find an option called privacy. Tap on privacy, and after you're on privacy, scroll down till you find disappearing messages section. You will find an option called default messenger timing or default message timing. Tap on it, and by default it's usually off, but if you want to turn it on to automatically delete your messages, you can set it up to 24 hours or 7 days or 90 days. Now choose whichever one suits you the best, and after this very period of time your new chats will start disappearing. So yeah, that is basically how you set your WhatsApp messages to automatically delete. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.